In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your backtesting software Candlesticks and GoCharting. By the end, your charts will be clearer, easier on the eyes, and tailored to the way you analyze price. Start by opening your browser and heading to the GoCharting website. On the homepage, look for the main navigation and click on Products. From there, choose Charts. This takes you straight into the charting workspace where you can view any market you follow and begin customizing how your candlesticks look. With a chart open, move your cursor over any candlestick and double-click it. This opens the appearance or style settings for candlesticks. Think of this panel as your control center for colors and visibility. If you don't see it on the first try, make sure you're double-clicking directly on a candle body rather than on an indicator or the background. First, change the candle color. You'll typically see separate options for up candles and down candles. Pick a bullish color that stands out clearly against your background, and a bearish color that's equally distinct. Many traders prefer green for up moves and red for down moves, but you can choose any palette that suits your preferences or is more accessible for color vision needs such as blue and orange. Aim for strong contrast so you can read price action at a glance, and consider adjusting transparency to soften overly bright tones without losing clarity. Next, adjust the candle border. Borders outline each candle body and can add helpful definition when you're zoomed out. You can match the border to the body color for a clean, minimal look, or pick a slightly darker shade for extra separation. If your chart already has high contrast, a subtler border can reduce visual noise. Now, update the wick color. Wicks mark the high and low extremes of each session, so they should remain visible even when the body color is muted. Choose a wick color that maintains contrast with the background and is legible across both bullish and bearish candles. Keeping wick colors consistent can make scanning for tails and rejection wicks much faster. Finally, customize the halfback. This is the midpoint of the candle's body, often used to gauge intra-bar, balance, and retracements. Select a color that's noticeable but not overpowering. Something neutral or a softer version of your main palette works well, so it guides the eye without competing with the candle itself. When you're happy with the preview, close the panel. Your changes apply instantly across the chart, making your backtesting cleaner, more consistent, and easier to interpret.